You like Snapple? Hmm? And Krispy Kremes? It's almost lunchtime. Yeah. Sharon coming home for lunch? Hmm? Sharon coming home for lunch? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. That was loud. You think you're funny. You think you're funny. Hmm? Sorry. Sorry. Yeah? Hey, can you say? Hey, can you say you're pissing me off? You're pissing me off, bird. Can you say that? Hmm? Can you say that? Hey, you're pissing me off, bird. What'd you have? What'd you have? Chili for lunch? You burping? Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Good thing you don't fart. You don't fart, do you? You do? You're funny. Hmm. Love you too. Bye. Bye. Love you. Gotta go to work. Bye. Love you too. You're a poop bird. You are a poop bird. Can I have a kiss? You're a good bird.
Bye.
Bye. You already said that. You say hello? You say hello? Say hello. Hello. You calling Sharon? Hey Sharon. Call her. Yeah. Go get some water. That's loud. Yeah. And tacos. And tacos. Right? You like tacos. What's for lunch? Go get some lunch. You want some lunch? You want cheese and tacos and what? Krispy Kremes and Snapple. What's wrong? Something outside scared you? Yeah. Big truck go by? Hmm? Big truck go by? That scares you, doesn't it? Yeah, Cookie, you're a cookie. You're a cookie bird. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's Big Bird do? Huh? Big Bird, what's Big Bird? Right? Yeah, he makes lots of noise, huh? Does he go out in the garage? What? Now you're not going to talk no more? Hmm?
Want some water?
You want some water? You thirsty, bird? You want some lunch? Hmm? What? What do you want? What do you want, Goofus? You like some berries? You like berries? What else you like? Berries? Bears? And cookies? Yeah. And poop birds? Hey, you like Sharon? You? You? You like Sharon? Sharon a good bird? Sharon a good bird, or she a poop bird? Hey. 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 Hey, I'm talking to you. Yeah, radar. I'm talking to you, radar. Sharon a good bird? Hmm? Sharon a good bird? Or is she a poop bird? Hmm? She's a pig? Is she a pig? Is that what you just said? Huh? She's a pig? Pig? You're a pig. You are. What was that? Another truck going by, huh? Yeah. You don't like them trucks when they go by. It pisses you off, huh? They scare the crap right out of you, don't they? Who likes them? Yeah, it's a taco. There goes another one. Nah, that was the bus. Yeah. You're funny. What? What do you want? Some what? You like that, don't you? You like doing that, don't you?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. You're a goofy bird.
Well, like that.
Oh, you're a goofy bird. What?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oops. Oops.
Oops. Sorry.
Oops.
Sorry.
Oops.
Sorry. Oops. Oops.
Sorry, bud.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. You're a good bird. You're a poop bird. Yeah, you're a... You are a poop bird. Can you say goodbye? Can you say goodbye? We're going. Can you say goodbye?
I go to work.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Have a nice day. Yeah. Bye.
Gotta go to work.
Okay, bye. Say bye. Say bye. Okay, you're done. You ain't talking no more. Oh yeah, maybe one more.
Hell yeah.
What'd you say? Did you just say hell yeah? Bird? Sure, teaching you those things? That another truck? That another truck going by? You don't like trucks, do you? Those trucks scare you, don't they? Okay. Okay, we're gonna go. Say bye. Okay, say bye. Gotta go to work. Bye. Love you. You're not gonna talk no more, right?
Cookie?
Yeah, you're a cookie. See?
You like that?
Yeah, you'll like it. Woohoo! Can you say you're pissing me off? You say you're pissing me off, bird. Yeah. You're pissing me off, bird.
Love you.
Love you. I'm gonna get you.
Say hello.
What? What? Okay. We're going. We're gonna go. See you later. Bye. Love you. Bye. Say bye.
Love you.
Bye. Yeah. Bye.
Gotta go to work.
Gotta go to work. Bye.
Bye.